The universe operates on a delicate equilibrium that defies our intuition about gravity and motion. While we often perceive gravity as a force that pulls objects toward the ground, the reality of spaceflight is defined by a perpetual state of falling. Sir Isaac Newton famously illustrated this through his brilliant cannonball thought experiment, where an object fired at the perfect horizontal velocity never strikes the Earth. This happens because the planet's surface curves away beneath it at the exact same rate. This infinite fall is the fundamental secret behind how satellites remain in orbit, cruising through the dark void without the need for constant fuel consumption. They are constantly balancing their forward inertia against the relentless tug of gravity. By understanding this cosmic balancing act, we begin to see the truth of space. Space is not a realm devoid of gravitational influence or physical laws, but rather a complex, high-speed landscape where objects are forever caught in motion. They are locked in a graceful circular dance around the massive bodies that hold them. These massive celestial bodies act as anchors, keeping everything in its proper place. Gravity is not merely a downward pull, but a curved path through the stars. Every satellite follows this invisible curve, maintaining its velocity with effortless precision. The vacuum of space becomes a highway for these orbiting travelers. Newton's cannonball remains the perfect metaphor for this strange perpetual motion. Imagine a mountain peak reaching high above the thick atmosphere of our world. A cannon sits atop this peak, aimed perfectly parallel to the horizon below. If you fire a ball slowly, it arcs downward and hits the dirt, but increase the speed and the ball travels much further before finally landing. At a specific critical velocity, the ball falls toward the Earth's center. Yet, because the Earth is round, the ground curves away beneath the ball. It falls forever, circling the planet in a continuous, never-ending loop of flight. This is the essence of orbital mechanics. Simple yet profoundly elegant in design. We see this reflected in the moon, our constant companion in the night. It too is falling toward the Earth, yet it misses every single time. The balance between inertia and gravity is the heartbeat of our solar system. Without this delicate tension, the planets would drift into the cold abyss. Instead, they remain tethered to the sun, dancing in their predictable, rhythmic paths. The physics of the cosmos is not chaotic, but deeply, mathematically structured. Every object in orbit is a testament to this grand, invisible design. We look up and see stillness, but the reality is one of speed. Satellites zip across the sky at thousands of miles per hour every day. They are falling at incredible speeds, yet they appear to float serenely. This paradox is the cornerstone of our modern understanding of the universe. Gravity reaches out across the vast distances, grabbing hold of distant worlds. It pulls them inward, while their momentum fights to carry them away. The result is a perfect, stable path that lasts for billions of years. We are observers of this dance, learning the steps through careful scientific study. Newton provided the key, and we have used it to unlock the heavens. From simple cannonballs to complex space stations, the principle remains exactly the same. It is a beautiful harmony of forces that keeps the stars aligned. When we launch a rocket, we are merely joining this ancient celestial rhythm. We accelerate until we reach the speed required to fall around the world. Once that speed is achieved, the engine cuts and the dance begins. The spacecraft enters its orbit, caught in the gravity well of Earth. It is a moment of pure physics, where human ingenuity meets cosmic law. we have mastered the art of falling, turning it into a tool. Communication, navigation, and observation all depend on this fundamental falling state. The Earth remains the center of our immediate gravitational concern and focus. Yet, the same rules apply to the Sun and the distant planets. The entire solar system is a collection of these falling, dancing objects. It is a symphony of motion, played out on a grand scale. We are privileged to witness this, to calculate it, and to explore. The universe is a place of wonder, governed by these simple truths. As we look toward the stars, we see the echoes of Newton's insight. The cosmic balancing act continues, unfolding in the silence of the void. Everything is in motion, forever falling, forever dancing, in perfect, eternal harmony. Building upon this graceful dance, the paths planets trace reveal a deeper, structured harmony governed by Kepler. Planets do not travel in perfect circles, but rather they follow stretched, elegant ellipses through the void. This geometry causes them to accelerate as they swing close to their host star's intense gravitational pull. Conversely, they decelerate as they drift into the cold, distant reaches of their vast, lonely orbital paths. This variation in speed is a direct consequence of the changing gravitational grip on each celestial body. Nature ensures that every planet sweeps out equal areas in equal time, maintaining a perfect cosmic rhythm. Furthermore, the distance of a planet from its sun dictates the precise length of its orbital year. This creates a predictable ticking clock that resonates across the silent expanse of our entire solar system. Even the weightlessness experienced by astronauts is merely a byproduct of this continuous, high-speed and silent freefall. They plummet alongside their spacecraft, caught in the same gravitational current that governs the distant, wandering planets. Ultimately, orbital mechanics transforms the chaotic, empty void of space into a highly predictable interstellar highway. It reveals the elegant physics that keeps our entire universe spinning in perfect, breathtaking, and eternal order. We observe that gravity is not a cage, but a tether that guides the motion of everything. From the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant, every object follows the same fundamental mathematical laws. The elliptical paths are not random, but are inscribed by the invisible hand of mass and distance. As a planet nears its perihelion, it gains speed, fueled by the encroaching strength of the star. Then, as it retreats toward aphelion, it slows, conserving its energy against the fading pull of gravity. This constant exchange of kinetic and potential energy defines the life cycle of every orbiting celestial body. It is a symphony of motion, played out on a scale that dwarfs our human perception entirely. Yet, through the lens of science, we decode the notes of this grand, universal, and ancient song. The solar system functions like a clockwork mechanism where every gear turns with absolute, unwavering, mathematical precision. There is no friction to slow these travelers, only the gentle, persistent curvature of space-time itself, guiding them. We look up at the night sky and see not just lights, but a map of motion. Each point of light follows a trajectory that was calculated eons ago by the laws of physics. The harmony of the spheres is not a myth, but a reality written in the language of gravity, inertia, and velocity combine to create a stable environment where life can eventually take its root. Without this delicate balance, the planets would either crash into their stars or drift into cold darkness. Instead, they remain held in a state of perpetual, graceful, and perfectly balanced high-speed orbital celestial motion. This is the true nature of our universe, a place where order emerges from the deep, dark. We are observers of this grand design, learning to navigate the currents of the vast cosmic ocean. Every satellite we launch is a testament to our understanding of these deep, ancient, and universal laws. We have learned to mimic the dance of the planets to reach out into the unknown space. By harnessing the same forces that keep the moon in orbit, we expand our reach beyond Earth. The void is no longer a barrier, but a medium through which we can travel with ease. We move with the grace of the planets, riding the invisible waves of gravity across the dark. It is a journey of discovery, fueled by the realization that we belong to this cosmic system. The laws that govern the stars also govern our own small, fragile, and beauty-to-take-home planet Earth. We are part of the dance, spinning through the dark, held by the invisible, strong, gravitational tether. The universe is not a chaotic mess, but a structured, beautiful, and perfectly balanced, grand cosmic machine. We find peace in knowing that the stars follow a path, and so do we, forever moving. The silence of space is filled with the hum of motion, a constant, steady, and rhythmic pulse. It is the heartbeat of the cosmos, echoing through the ages, telling the story of our origins. We look back at the Earth, a blue marble suspended in the vast, dark, and empty space. It too is falling, caught in the same dance, moving with purpose through the cold, dark void. We are all travelers on this great, spinning, and beautiful ship, guided by the laws of physics. The journey never ends, as the planets continue their endless, circular, and graceful, long, orbital cosmic dance. We watch, we learn, and we marvel at the complexity of the simple, elegant, and perfect design. The universe is a masterpiece, painted with the brush of gravity on the canvas of dark space. Every line is calculated, every movement is precise, and every orbit is a testament to the truth. We are fortunate to witness this, to understand the mechanics that keep our world spinning so safely. The balance is maintained, the rhythm is kept, and the universe continues its long, slow, eternal spin. We hold our breath as we watch the planets swing, a dance of light in the dark. It is a reminder of our place, small but significant, in the grand, vast, and cosmic order. The laws of Kepler are the keys to the kingdom, unlocking the secrets of the distant stars. We use them to chart our path, to look further, and to dream of what lies ahead. The future is as bright as the stars themselves, guided by the same ancient and reliable physics. We continue to explore, to learn, and to grow as we dance along with the spinning planets. The cosmic balancing act is the foundation of our existence, the bedrock of our shared human future. We embrace the motion, we trust the gravity, and we move forward into the vast open space. The universe is our home, and its perfect, elegant, and eternal order is our guide forevermore.